Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rutherford County in western North Carolina, Polk County in western North Carolina, Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8:45 a.m.
As you head out and about this morning, and what's interesting about this, they were the only people going to college. Science won't do this. She'll be drubbed out of whatever university. Anything.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shelby, Forest City, Rutherford, Columbus, Spindale, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Tryon, Bellwood, Lake Lower, and Lawndale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cleveland, Polk, and Rutherford. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for